Hey, what's up guys? This is a real quick video. I know mine are usually a little lengthy and I'm going to try to shorten them down and break them up into more manageable groups. But anyways, this is the silicone conformal coating that I'm going to do, and I'm going to try to give you an easy breakdown on how to apply this. A lot of guys that are new into it, they probably get nervous about opening up their servos. This is my new servo that wasn't covered under warranty. Anyways, they are worried about putting the gears back together, or getting the pins lined up, or getting the gaskets reset, because this has four gaskets on it, I believe. Anyways, so I took mine apart, and I was able to take it apart without removing any of the bell gears or any of those gears up above. I just simply took the 4 screws out of the bottom, the 2 upper screws, and then managed to separate them right in this groove here, and bingo, that gives me access to the inside board, to the back side of that board, and the potentiometer it's closed in, but I'm going to see what I can do to get in there, maybe let some drip in there. And there we go. All the gaskets are still intact. This lower gasket is still still intact, and I'm going to throw some quick applications on here and I'll be good to go. I got the silicone, not because I was really thinking about it. I think the silicone's better. I think it holds up in a vibrational atmosphere or environment better. But I'm no pro. Not on this stuff anyways. So yeah, here we go. We got the board, and it's going to get a liberal coating over all of it. And one thing is I was reluctant to do this because I didn't want to void my warranty, and then I found out that even though it's a 2-year warranty with this product, and it's a $120, $130 servo, their warranty doesn't cover shit. So I'll be cutting my lines and altering them for my vehicle, my wires and stuff, and won't have any worry of that anymore. I didn't want to open it up or damage anything, just because I wanted to, hopefully think that that warranty meant something to me, but yeah, it doesn't mean anything. So I'm going to give you guys a little brief review over my HPP 21 Plus servo programmer. I needed to pick up one of these so I could reverse my polarity of my servo in the rear, so it was turning the right direction when I hooked up my 4-way steering. This programmer also allows you to turn your failsafe off and on. The counterclockwise rotation or clockwise is programmable. The resolution setup, travel speed, center, end, and failsafe endpoints, dead bandwidths, and OLP rate, which I have no idea what that is, but this is all just new to me. I just spent probably a half hour on it. So anyways, so yeah, it was a pretty easy program to start. Just had to and so this is the high-tech programmer. After it's loaded up onto your computer, you have you can either test or program, and right now we're in the program, so you can change this, the failsafe, the direction counterclockwise, which is what I had intended for this purpose. Resolution is high. The speed is at 100%. You can change all of those. The EPA is adjusting the endpoints and centering. The dead band width resolution, haven't messed with that yet. And overload protection rate percentage, I have that off, but this is the only way you can actually access this. So yeah, it's handy. I hate, the fact that it's high tech, but whatever. I already purchased it. Can't go back in time now. But anyways, so yeah, that's the program. And for the testing, just hit on test. And we're going to perform a little test here. Oh. Thought we were. Test mode. We'll do a sweep. And it's on medium. As you can see. And actually I think the battery's dead. So anyways, that's all I'll be able to show you out of that one. It worked great, but yeah, my battery's dead. And speaking of battery, this is a 6-volt nickel metal hydride, and it's a receiver pack battery. That's what's required to operate this. You can also operate this in the field without having it plugged into your interface. So it will take a 4.8 up to a 6-volt battery. So yeah. Also, I finished doing all of my conformal coating on my glitch buster, on my cat packs on the top of my Mama Monster capacitors, and I did a switch, and both of these have been completely filled, and I mean filled. And I also did this board that was in here. I took this apart just simply by undoing this larger tab on the side, pulled it apart, filled the bottom right full, stuck it in there, filled the top, done deal. Works great, it's cured, so I know it didn't have any adverse effects on it thus far. Also took a couple other servos that I had kicking around, and sort of once I got that stuff out, I didn't really want to put it away. I just wanted to code everything. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the servo programmer, the HPP 21 Plus. Yeah, it's quite neat. It works, and that's about all I have to say about that. Still not very happy with high-tech. That's why I discarded my warranty, took these apart, and completely sealed these up. And also I'll be cutting my wire looms custom length. That way I don't have to worry about leaving them long, taking up space, and worrying about them, going good for the warranty because they've been altered. There is no warranty. That's just the basic fact of it all. Anyways, thanks for your time, and hopefully this will get you guys a little further into the hobby.